Hello, I'm Nazmul from Bangladesh, and this is my final project for CS50P. This project, whose name is Lifetime Calculator, will calculate the time you have passed and the time you have left in your life. It has 4 different time formats. Those are seconds, minutes, hours, and days. To use this calculator, first of all, we have to run our program. Then we have to enter our date of birth. And then we have to give our life expectancy. Then we have to choose our time format. I chose seconds. And finally you see the result. You have passed 761,788,800 seconds and only 2,078,438,400 seconds are left in your life. If we run our program again and enter our date of birth, and our life expectancy, and now we will choose minutes as a time format. And finally you see the result. You have passed 12,696,480 minutes and only 34,640,640 minutes are left in your life. We will run our program again. Now we will choose hours as our time format. And now we finally see the result of hours format. You have passed 211,608 hours and only 577,344 hours are left in your life. Finally, we will choose days as a time format. Days. Finally, we see the time as days format. You have passed 8,817 days and only 24,056 days are left in your life. This was my final project. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.